Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're using QuickBooks Online and scratching your head over an incorrect ending balance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a full guide on how to fix that pesky issue in 2025. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, getting your balances right is crucial for accurate financial reporting. Let's jump right in. First off, why does this happen? Ending balance errors often stem from unreconciled transactions, duplicate entries, or even bank feed glitches. Don't worry, it's usually straightforward to fix. Start by logging into your QuickBooks Online account and navigating to the Banking or Reconcile section. Here, review your latest reconciliation report to spot any discrepancies. Step 1. Double-check your transactions. Go through your bank register and compare it with your actual bank statements. Look for any missing deposits, erroneous withdrawals, or uncleared checks. If you find something off, edit the transaction directly in QuickBooks. Remember, accuracy is key, so take your time. Next, up is reconciling your accounts. Click on Reconcile in the accounting menu, select the account in question, and enter the correct ending balance from your bank statement. QuickBooks will guide you through matching transactions. It's like a digital detective helping you out. If discrepancies persist, adjust for any outstanding items. Sometimes, you might need to add a journal entry. Head to the Journal Entry option under the Plus New button, and make sure to categorize it properly to balance your books. One common pitfall in 2025 is the new automated bank feeds. Make sure they're synced correctly to avoid imports of old data. Pro tip: regularly back up your data before making changes to prevent any mishaps. Once everything's squared away, run a final report to verify your ending balance. If it matches your bank statement, you're good to go. Fixing this can save you hours of frustration and keep your finances on track. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video. Stay organized.